Gonna do this video of Gene's 55 Chevy that we're going to put up for sale. I have other videos online of the car, but I've been asked to do a fresh one. So here it is, today's video. We're right around in April 8th, I think it is, 2025. So the car was quite a nice car. Excellent build, and I really appreciate the work that was done on the car before we brought it home to Gene. Gene wanted a few more details done, and we accomplished those details. So 350 Chevy base engine with the automatic overdrive, and a lot of aftermarket billet parts. Put a lot of shine in it. Did not move the battery to the trunk like some people do, but I put one of the Delco boxes there with the battery inside. So let me close the hood here. Colors that are emulating the original 55 Chevy color choice, but it has metallic and pearl in it. Just think of it a little more Shazam. Yeah, it looks wonderful. And it's a BelAir two-door post, which a lot of people like. Makes it a quieter car and don't have to worry about the hardtop flippers or anything else. Tilt wheel and the small diameter 55 Chevy style steering wheel. Daytona style carpets, optional 55 Chevy. And the complete upholstery kit is 55 Chevy aftermarket. I have a full set of photos, including all the chassis photos. I have a book of records of the build. I'll show pictures of the book that's in here, hundreds of pictures. And look close at the quality of the metal on the doors, the door seams, the bottom of doors. All new everything, weather stripping, whiskers, channels, division bar, right side mirror, all these aftermarket new parts on the 55 Chevy. I've even got road test videos online, so this video is not going to have a road test, but I will reach in here and hit the key. Let's see if I can reach down there and throttle it up a bit. And a shot of the bin plate right there. So there you have it, 55 Chevy BelAir two-door sedan. I didn't latch the trunk. I don't want to do that yet. I've got to take a bunch of still pictures. Yeah, floor mats. There you go. 55 Chevy. Could be yours. Thanks for watching.